Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to insert digital signature in Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to insert digital signature in Excel. Steps to insert or add digital signature in Excel. Signature line is the built-in feature of the Excel that you can use to electronically sign a document. To use this feature, you have to open the saved Excel document on your computer to be digitally signed. Select the space where you want to add the signature line. Select the Insert tab and click on Signature Line in the text group. A signature setup box will pop up. Enter the signer's name, title, email address, and instructions to the signer. You can opt to show the signing date in the signature line and/or allow comments in the sign dialog. Click on OK to continue. An X pop-up appears with your name below. You can move it anywhere you want. You can either type in your name or select an image of your signature stored on the computer. Select your name or name of the organization besides the signing as option. Under Issued By, select Digital Signature Certificate. Now click on the Sign button to sign the Excel sheet. A pop-up box appears to verify the PIN of your token. Enter the PIN and click on OK. A signature confirmation box appears with the message that your signature is successfully saved with the document. Click OK. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to insert digital signature in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.